Okay, let's get a different kind of tree. I am gonna use my narrower fan brush for this one, for the entire thing, just because it's a little stiffer than my other one, so it'll give me a different kind of branch effect. Okay, we're starting with our dark color again. Be very gentle when you do this so you don't get big globs of paint. You're barely tapping your brush at the top here. And as you come down, you're going to push down a little bit harder on your brush. Find that angle that gives you the branches you like. Now you'll notice that with this narrower fan brush, my branches aren't as fuzzy. And I'm pushing just a little bit harder on that edge, so we get more defined branches here. If I switch it the other way, I like hitting on that corner first. You'll see the branches change just a bit. Sometimes I like to focus on one side first and then go back and do the other side. Just depends what kind of rhythm I have going. This tree is more full than the other one. Not as fuzzy, it's more defined. Going, filling out your tree. Remember to relax. Your brain knows what a pine tree looks like. You need to trust it. And if you're sitting there questioning which branch goes where, it's going to be such a stiff tree. You need to trust yourself as an artist and just as a person. You know what a pine tree looks like. Let your brain create it. The overthinking just halts your process. So I've found that my best trees are when I just go for it and just relax and let it go. I really struggle when I'm overthinking where everything's supposed to go or what it's supposed to look like or where I'm supposed to be pushing my brush. Obviously, a lot of practice helps. Okay, here's our more full tree. We're going to go back in with some, we're only going to do the light highlights now, just so you can see what it looks like. Remember, don't use too much paint. And just little taps as our hands are getting used to the pressure. I really like hitting it on the edge first and allowing it to fold. It gives me a nice triangle branch. Go back with a little bit of dark to break it up, because every so often my brush hits wrong and I get too much paint. But we're also going to go back in with even a lighter green. I'm going to mix this green I have with a little bit of white. Make sure to catch my video about how I do my fog. I'll be posting that next. Okay, so I have very, very light green. You want to use it sparingly. You don't want it all over your tree. Just where the sun would hit it. and just a little bit up here, not too much. And last time I'm gonna go back in with my darker color, very lightly break up any areas that I'm not happy with or I think has too much of that light color in it. There we go. There's our 4 tree.